Hey everyone, welcome back to Rover, where we explore smart automation using Google Apps Script. In today's video, I'll show you how this simple piece of code automatically generates a monthly sales report, converts into PDF, and emails it to your team, all with just a one click. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So here, this is the table I'm going to automate. So this table includes sales details and it contains following columns: date, salesperson, product, quantity, unit price, and the total. So this is the sales table. Now let's see how to automate this monthly sales report. So let's take a look at the code step by step so you will understand exactly how it works. So here I would like to explain the coding part here. To go to the app script, what I'm going to do, just click on the extensions and select app script. So this is the app script window. Here you can see my coding part. So here, this part, the first part is the do-get function. This function runs whenever someone accesses the script web app URL. Inside it call our main function. So this is our main function. It is send monthly sales report as PDF. So that's where all the magic happens. And finally it returns a simple HTML message saying monthly sales report sent. Here under the function do get, think as your trigger point. When it runs, the report gets created and sent instantly. So here what happens, think of this as your trigger point. When this runs, the report gets created and sent instantly. So the other case is getting the spreadsheet data. Now inside our main function, you can see send monthly sales report as PDF. The script first connects to active Google Sheet. So this is where it connects to active Google Sheet. So this is the code line I used to connect to spreadsheet, and also it looks for sheet named sales. Okay. It looks for a sheet named sales, grabs all the data from it and store in an array called data. So all the data is stored inside this array. The array name is data. That means every row and column from your sheet is now inside the script, ready to be analyzed. So in these code lines, it identifies the current month. Then it gets today's date, the extracts the number, month and year. This helps the script know which sales records to include in the monthly report. So from this part, what happens? Now next comes the summary section. This is where the script calculates total sales, count the number of transactions, and breaks down sales by each salesperson. So it happens here. The loop goes through each row of your sales data. It checks if the date belongs to this month and year. If it does, it adds up the total sales, count how many sales were made, and summarizes how much each salesperson sold. After that, what happens? It creates HTML report. Now it's time to make the report good. Now it's time to make the report look good. The script builds a professional looking HTML template which will later be converted into PDF. This HTML section includes the month, name, total sales, and total transactions. Then it adds nice looking table showing each salesperson's performance. Once the HTML is ready, the script converts it into PDF file using Google's built-in utilities function. The result is neatly formatted PDF file named something like sales report November 2025, like that. So finally, email setup. or emailing the PDF report. Now comes the best part, sending the email automatically. Okay, the email, the the mail app dot send email function takes care of everything. It sets the recipient, subject, body, message, and attach the generated PDF. Just update this email address to your team's email. You are good to go. Finally, the script logs the success message, and the do get function displays a short confirmation letting you know the report successfully sent. With just one script, you have automated your entire monthly sales report workflow, from reading your Google Sheet to generating PDF to emailing it automatically. So here, now this is the testing part. Now I want to run this code. Then I want to see you how this works. To do this, you need to click on this run function. Now I am going to click the run command. So once you click on the run command, you can see a message called monthly sales report email sent successfully with PDF attachment. Okay, now I want to check whether it comes to my email. So here you can see the report successfully sent to recipient email. Now I have email from this email address. So this is email address I have used to create my script. Now here I have a mail called please find attached the monthly sales report November 2025. Here is the source of the sales, and there are 4 transactions. Now this is the attachment. Now I am going to open the attachment. There you can see nice HTML, nice table there. It includes salesperson, total sales, and the salesperson's names individually with individual total sales, and it displays here the total sales and number of transactions like that. Now PDF attachment is there. So likewise, you can automate your details as I explained. So here I automate sales report. Okay, so in addition, you can use this triggers. So then using this trigger, you can use to automate report timely manner. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's meet with another valuable video like this one. So do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you.